This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can select all text in Google Docs. There are three ways that you can select all text in Google Docs, which will allow you to change the formatting of all of your text at the same time, or manipulate it in other ways, or use the Find and Search tool. One way to select all text is to go to the text at the highest part of the screen, then click and drag your mouse all the way to the bottom. And since this is a one-page document, this is all I have. From there, you can make whatever changes. Another way to select all text is to use a keyboard shortcut. On the Mac, it's going to be Command A, and on Windows, you're going to press Control A. So I'm going to do that for my keyboard. And now everything is highlighted and selected to manipulate. The third way that you can select all text is to go to Edit at the top of the screen, then select All. And here it will also remind you that there is a keyboard shortcut. When you click that, everything is highlighted for you to make the changes that you want to make. So this video shows you how to select all text in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel to view more helpful videos in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.